Well, they may be sitting outside in extreme heat, judging by the forecast that Christina is detailing for us here tonight.
Yeah, it's dangerous heat at that, too.
Because you're going to talk about temperatures possibly, into the triple digits. But
yes, certainly with the heat index, absolutely.
This weather we're having in August, Christina, is remarkable weather.
It's hard to find something to complain about today, Doug, as temperatures are a few degrees below average. So 82 in middle of August in Kentuckiana. Yeah, feels really nice. So it's an excellent evening to head out to the Kentucky State Fair if you haven't just yet. Temperatures are going to be just barely dipping down into those 70s for the remainder of the evening, eventually going to bottom out in the lower 60s, which is going to feel phenomenal out the door tomorrow morning. But the warm up is really going to be taking off as soon as the sun comes up, as temperatures are going to be pushing 90 degrees for your Saturday. Then it gets even hotter as we head into our Sunday, and that Sunday is just day one of a very hot pattern that we're going to be dealing with each and every afternoon from Sunday on out. So try to soak up the rest of your Friday evening if you can. Now, waking up tomorrow morning, as I mentioned, some lower 60s, probably going to feel like fall in a lot of locations. Many spots are going to be even waking up in the mid and upper 50s. Into tomorrow afternoon we go, though. We'll have plenty of sunshine from start to finish, just not even a cloud in the sky for your Saturday. Going into Sunday morning, a little bit more of the same as we're waking up again, very pleasant in the lower 60s before seeing those numbers rebound all the way into the mid 90s. But here we go. That heat is going to turn on, and it's not going to leave us. A giant heat dome is going to be covering pretty much the entire United States here, bringing above average temperatures for several days in a row. I'd say one of the hotter days is going to be toward the middle part of next week, but even Monday and into Tuesday is going to feature temperatures in the upper 90s. Heat index values, especially off to the west, are going to be above the triple digits. So that makes these 70s and 80s outside right now look and feel pretty good when you see what's ahead for us. 83 right now downtown Louisville, and then we're holding on to some middle 70s in Shepherdsville, feeling really nice there. In southern Indiana, we have a lot of 70s. Bedford is the exception, sitting at 81 right now, and then we were just kind of hovering around that 80-degree point along and south of the parkways. We will eventually see those numbers fall down into the 50s and lower 60s, so if you're outside of the city, you're likely going to be waking up to temperatures in the middle and upper 50s. Then that's going to be quickly followed by rebounding temperatures to the middle and upper 80s. So again, outside of the city, could shave a few degrees off of that high temperature we'll see here. Mid 80s from Hodgenville over to Bardstown, Kentucky. Overall, my pick of the weekend is going to be for our Saturday, but Sunday, not as bad as the rest of the work week is looking like. Plenty of sunshine each and every afternoon, not a drop of rain in sight. We're not tracking any rain chances, at least for the foreseeable future here. So that's something certainly to keep in mind. Just scorching hot each and every afternoon. After our Sunday, we're into those upper 90s. Check that out. Monday to Tuesday, both days going to be 97. We get even hotter than that Wednesday and into Thursday, but I would not be surprised to see several spots in Kentuckiana actually hitting the triple digits.